Hi students, a warm welcome to KSN classes. Now, the first problem is domain of fx is equal to 1 by square root of minus log tan x base sin x when x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Now we will do the solution. Fx is equal to 1 by square root of minus log tan x base sin x. Here fx exists only if minus log tan x base sin x greater than or equal to 0. If the function is of the form 1 by root fx, it exists only if fx greater than 0. Only if fx greater than 0. Therefore, this is minus log tan x base sin x greater than 0. Implies by multiplying with minus sign, log tan x base sin x less than 0. Since x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 implies 0 less than sin x less than 1. In case of the logarithms, if log x base a is less than b implies x log x base a less than b implies x less than a power b if a greater than 1 and x greater than a power b if 0 less than a less than 1. Implies, therefore applying this formula here, it implies tan x greater than sin x comma 0 is equal to 1. Implies x greater than pi by 4. X greater than pi by 4. But it is given that x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Implies pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 2 or x belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2 open interval is the domain of the given function. Therefore, C is the option. The second question is the range of fx is equal to x minus greatest integer x by 1 minus greatest integer x plus x. Well, now the solution. Fx is equal to x minus step x by 1 plus x minus step x. Here x minus step x is equal to fractional part of x. Fractional part of x. 0 less than or equal to fractional part of x less than 1 for all x belongs to R. Now, this fx can be written as fx is equal to fractional part of x by 1 plus fractional part of x. This can be written as 1 plus fractional part of x minus 1 by 1 plus fractional part of x. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus fractional part of x. 0 less than or equal to fractional part of x less than 1 implies 1 less than or equal to 1 plus fraction part of x less than 2 implies 1 by 2 less than 1 by 1 plus fraction part of x less than or equal to 1. Now multiply with minus sign. Minus 1 less than or equal to 1 by minus 1 by 1 plus fraction part of x less than minus 1 by 2. Adding 1. 0 less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus fraction part of x less than 1 by 2. That is 0 less than or equal to fx less than 1 by 2. Therefore the range is closed 0 and open half. Closed 0 and open half. The second B is the option. The third question is number of solutions of 2 power x plus 3 power x plus 4 power x minus 5 power x equals 0. Now the solution. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఇట్లా రాయొచ్చు 2 power x plus 3 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 5 power x. ఈ 5 power x ని పట్టుకొచ్చాం అనుకోండి 2 by 5 whole power x plus 3 by 5 whole power x plus 4 by 5 whole power x is equal to 1. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి దీంట్లో నుంచి దీన్ని రెండు కర్వ్స్ కింద తయారు చేయొచ్చు. రెండు కర్వ్స్ కింద విడగొట్టచ్చు. ఎలా అంటే y is equal to 2 by 5 whole power x plus 3 by 5 whole power x plus 4 by 5 whole power x and y is equal to 1. ఇప్పుడు ఒక గ్రాఫ్ గీద్దాం దీనికి. ఇది y axis, ఇది x axis, ఇది horizon. y is equal to 1. ఈ లైన్ x axis కి parallel గా x axis పైన 1 యూనిట్ డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంటుంది. అంటే y is equal to 1 is this line. ఇందులో ఇక్కడ 2 by 5 whole power x, 3 by 5 whole power x, 4 by 5 whole power x అన్నీ కూడా ఈ 2 by 5, 3 by 5 ఇవన్నీ. ఇక్కడ a power x tends to infinity, extends to infinity implies a power x tends to infinity if a greater than 1, a power x tends to 0 if 0 less than a less than 1. X tends to infinity, a power x tends to infinity if a greater than 1, a power x tends to 0 if 0 less than a less than 1. So now you can draw the graph for this. As x tends to minus infinity, a power x tends to infinity if 0 less than a less than 1 and tends to 0 if a greater than 1. So now the graph gidam y equal to 2 by 5 whole power x plus 3 by 5 whole power x plus 4 by 5 whole power x. ఇందులో x is equal to 0 అని రాస్తే y equal to 3 అవుతుంది. అంటే y axis ని 3 దగ్గర కట్ చేస్తుంది. x tends to minus infinity అయితే ఇది tends to infinity అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది కర్వ్. ఇది 0, 3. సో ఇది y is equal to 1 లైన్ ని ఒక్క చోట మాత్రమే ఖండిస్తుంది, ఒక్క చోట మాత్రమే ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు కర్వ్స్ కి ఉన్నటువంటి పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఒకటే. కాబట్టి నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ is equal to only 1. The option is 3.